Oh no, I forgot my wallet. My husband needs this medicine tonight.
Please don't worry. I will help you.
Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. Grandma Rose loves her family.
Grandpa James is happy.
Let's eat together.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Are you okay?
I do not feel well. I feel very weak.
The doctor is checking Grandpa. Please do not worry. He needs medicine tonight. Here is the prescription. Please buy the medicine today.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Oh no, the pharmacy is closed. I need another pharmacy.
Grandma keeps walking. She is tired. She does not give up. The pharmacy is open. Grandma is very happy.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
My husband has a serious heart condition. He needs this medicine.
Prescription, please? I'll check if we have your medicine.
Thank you. I'll wait. Oh no! My wallet is missing. I'm so sorry. I left my wallet at home. I have no money.
Don't worry. Your husband's life is more important than money. Please, take the medicine.
Thank you. God bless you. I'm going home. My husband will be safe.
Thank you. I already feel better.
Alex, do you remember the elderly woman you helped last night? Look, she's here. She wasn't just a customer. She is the owner of this pharmacy. Really? I can't believe it.
You helped me without knowing who I was. Your kindness comes from the heart.
Thank you. Thank you.
You saved my life. Thank you.
Congratulations, Alex. You are promoted to branch supervisor.
Always help others with kindness.
Kindness always comes back reward of.
Thank you. I will work even harder. I will work even harder.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Write your next story idea in the comments below. We may make your story next.
See you soon. Goodbye.